without me, I'll be fine on my own. Just add water, let me go. I'm feeling salty, but I'm not thirsty. I'm fungus in fresh water, cobwebs in your cupboard. I saw my friends leave after the party.
Hey guys, Coach Ethan here. Wanted to give you guys a quick introduction to our new Produce of the Week segment. We'll be having a Produce of the Week segment in every video we post going forward. This produce is going to tie into our weekly recipe, as well as another segment we're going to add later in the video, so make sure you stick around to check that out. For this week, our Produce of the Week is going to focus on bananas. So make sure you stick around for some quick facts and some great easy recipes you can do at home yourself. And I'll be seeing you guys a little bit later in the video. Hey guys, Coach Ethan back with you. I wanted to introduce you to our new segment, Hydration Station. This will also be tied into every video going forward. We're going to tie it into the Produce of the Week as well. This week I am focusing on smoothies. I'm going to make a strawberry banana smoothie. Pretty simple. If you have the materials, really cheap. Pretty easy to do, lots of fun. Make sure you ask your parents for help if you need it. A little more explanation on Hydration Station. This is going to be something we explore weekly with different ways to hydrate outside of just water. We all know hydration is important, especially if you're an athlete or you're doing physical activity, as dehydration causes sickness, to pass out, stuff like that. So make sure you're staying hydrated. Give you guys some different ways, so make sure you stick around to check that out, and I will see you guys next week.
introduce myself.
What's up, y'all? Mr. Matthew here, gardening vlog number 3. About 2 weeks into our garden. We're still on the before the setup step. Today I will be updating you guys on how my seedlings went, and we'll be doing our first transplant. If you remember the seedlings from the small candy soda crush container, I transplanted them into our egg carton, and they've been growing smoothly ever since. And since they are like a week older than the seedlings we started last week, I think they'll be able to sustain life in a container on its own. So let's get right into it. So here they are. These are the seedlings I sowed in last week in our last vlog. One tip that I do recommend is using a bottle with a couple holes poked out on the top for a watering device. All you do is slant and squirt, and you can get pretty good watering through this method. As you can see, there are some sowed seeds that haven't popped up yet. These are my pepper seeds. They do take a little bit long to sprout, so hopefully we'll still be successful with our pepper seeds. But our tomato seeds, both varieties, have been growing pretty well. But for today, we'll be transplanting this seedling right here. So I'll be showing you what you will need and the steps required to transplant. Things I think you will need: first, the container. It's about 4 inches high, diameter about 4 inches as well. I recommend using a spoon. We're gonna be holding the center of this setup and then adding the seedling in right after. So let's start off with making the hole. We're gonna make our hole pretty deep. Cool fact about tomato plants is they have tiny hairs on the stem. So when you plant the stem as well, the hairs on the stem have a possibility of growing roots. And now that's good enough. We're gonna take our seedling, see if we could get it out in one scoop. Transfer it. Okay. Actually, see if I can get this a little lower. There we go. So this is the final result. I added a little bit more dirt so the stem can be under the dirt, and the little hairs that are on the stem could possibly turn into roots, creating a better root system for this little guy. But yeah, that is it for gardening vlog number 3. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.